I mean, shit, it's a vlog, ain't it? I got it. I got the camera. Memory card. Okay, we got a bag, carrying kit. Open this up. It's way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Cute, cute. How the girls be? How the girls be? All right. That's cute though. This is cute. This is cute. I think this is a wallet for the memory card. That's cute. That's cute. That's how the girls be. What else? I'm not really good at these. SD card reader. Don't know what that's for. Honestly, I just got a camera because my cousin told me to, so Yasmin, this is for you. Okay, come on with the tripod. Okay, this is heavy duty too. Okay. Okay. What's this? Okay, we got a something. Oh, this is to blow the dust off. I know that. And then we got a starter kit. Oh, this is to clean it. Okay. And then what we've all been waiting for. This is the type of camera it is. I looked up on Google best vlogging cameras. This was #1. So I got it. Usually people start from the bottom and then work their way up, but I don't plan on actually getting anywhere with this, so start from the top. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. This is really nice. I don't know what to do with it. Oh my god. I just feel like it's a child in this responsibility. This is legit. This is real. Now I gotta really take it seriously. And then, oh, there's the mic muffler thingy majig. I don't really know. Google, that's why you got Google. You don't know what you're doing? Google it. Guess it's a charger. Strap for it. More chargers. Oh, and the battery. Okay. This is real. Okay, so I got the battery in, and let's get this bad boy started. I don't know if I'm being dramatic or not, but it's so pretty. And I gotta hurry up because 1, I gotta go to work, and 2, it's charging, so it's not, you can't really see everything, but I'm gonna cut it on so y'all can see this quality. This quality is crazy. Look at that. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. I don't know nothing about cameras, but y'all see me, see me, see you. Y'all see that? It's really pretty. This thing fire. Uh-oh. Now I'm about to break it. Anyways, I'm gonna let it charge, but matter of fact, let me take y'all down. Look at the photo shoot I'm giving this koala right now. Boy, what? Come on with the angles. This camera is really nice. This is nice. This koala ain't ready. Give it to me, koala. Give it to me. This is nice. I like this. Wow. All right, y'all. So it's about a couple days later, but I got her set up. We're good. It just cut off. But I'm about to switch to the camera mode. Well, not camera mode, but this camera. I never said I was good at editing. I don't actually know how this transition is gonna work, but we're gonna try. And like I said in the last clip, Google. See y'all there. All right. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 3. We out here. I think we out here. Okay, come on, camera. Yeah. I don't. It's okay. Okay, so now that we got the camera set up, it's a real bootleg setup, like bootleg. I can give you all a better like unboxing review. So we're gonna call this already unboxed review. So like I said in the previous clips, you know, I got the SD. It's obviously in the camera. So here's the box. And then I got a cleaning kit. I didn't open this, but this is what it looks like on the outside. Oh, that's too bright. Yeah. We can open this together. I didn't open this the last time. So let's do that. Let's open that. Okay, we got stuff. We got a ruler. We got a cloth. I know what this one is. We got spray. And we got Q-tips. Yeah, so it's a starter kit. Guess you can clean that on up like that. I guess. I don't know. So then I remember showing you guys this. And I keep saying you guys because I'm just in my head. I feel like I got subscribers, but I don't. So I'm gonna pretend. We got this. This for your nose. Obviously, I need to do it now. This is the SD card reader. Don't know. I guess it just reads the SD card. Google. This had the little mic muffler thing on there. I got it on my camera right now, which is why it's not in the bag, in case you guys are wondering. This is the strap, because we stay strapped up, you feel me? Is this the strap for the bag or the... I think this is the strap for the camera. And then we got this. We got that. I remember showing you guys the wallet for the SD card. And then this is another cord. I think this is the handheld, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, I don't know what this is. I don't think I would be balancing my camera off of this. I don't even know where this was. Okay, it got stretch. Okay, but like, where does this go? You know where it goes? Google. Anyways. And then it came with this nice case. I like this case a lot. This is nice. Got a lot of pockets. Pocket number 1. Pocket number 2. Pocket number 3. Pocket number 4. You remember when I said it had a lot of pockets? Pocket number 5. What's considered a lot of pockets? It was a strap to this too. It's probably in the box that this camera is sitting on. And also came with a tripod, but it is on the tripod right now, so you cannot see. You saw last clip, you cannot see this clip. So. Oh, I lied, it right here. Oh, this is the lens thing, but cover the lens. But this is the strap for the bag, so I can be strapped up. You feel me? So yeah, that concludes my review or unboxing. I can't really give it a review because I don't know how to use the camera. Insert clip of me at 2 a.m. trying to figure out how to use this camera. I don't actually know if that clip is gonna show up because I also don't know how to edit yet. So it's me watching a video on how to use this camera for me at 2 o'clock in the morning. Look what time it is. I should be asleep, but I'm trying to figure out how to use this camera. Shout out to him. Jason, you the GOAT. Step by step, I'm gonna be a pro after this over.